I saw this project on Pinterest and knew I just had to give it a try. I got some 1-inch foam sheets from our local building supply store, and I ended up just using 2 sheets. I found a really cute gingerbread man off Canva, and then I printed it poster style. I just increased it to about 500 to 800% for the different sizes. I can't remember the exact number. And then I taped it all together. This probably took longer than the rest of the project. I used pencil to trace the design, and then I used a jigsaw to cut it out, and it cut like butter. It was actually really neat cutting it with the jigsaw. Other than it does make a bit of a mess, so I would do it outside. I used hot glue to secure the 2 pieces together, and then I put a piece of cardboard on the back side. I probably should have just used a piece of foam board on the back side to make it extra secure, but I didn't think of that until after. I recommend having a vacuum handy because the styrofoam bits just get everywhere. So if you can vacuum them up as you go, it makes things a lot easier. I didn't have the exact brown color that I wanted, so I mixed a darker brown in acrylic paint with some white, and I just mixed the 3 bottles together. I had lots extra. I probably could have done a second coat if I really wanted to, but you know, it's just outdoor Christmas decor, so I didn't. I use this thick cotton rope for going all the way around the edge of the gingerbread man to make it look like icing, and I just used hot glue. Also, this is my SureBonder glue gun. It is cordless for up to a few minutes, so you can put it on that docking station, and then it lasts for about 3 minutes when it is off the station, and I really love it. I'll leave the link in the video description here too. I'll also leave the link to the cotton rope. I've used this rope for several different projects and I really, really like it. And I'll leave any other links for tools or supplies or things from this video in the description. So just have a look there or let me know in the comments if there's something that I'm missing. For these circles and the extra little bits that I'm going to do on the feet and hands, I actually used clear tape on the edges so that it wouldn't fray. And what do you think of my giant gingerbread men? They look really cute on my front porch, but they're actually going to be part of a local Christmas display. Ask any questions in the comments and hit subscribe for more DIY.